Hello, my name is Rafael Lobelo, Director of Agujas Chile. Today I want to tell you all about our free Turntable Needle Recognition Service. If your needle does not appear in our sales catalog list, all you need to do is: first, see the information that appears on the capsule about the brand and on the needle itself. Second, pictures are also very useful. If you can send us several pictures from different angles, it would be so much useful. You can do this via WhatsApp at +569 755 18627 or by email to agujaschile@hotmail.com. We will do our best to find you the best replacement for your turntable. If you find our service useful, please leave your comments below and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information, tips and advice. Follow us on social media, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and frequently visit our website at agujaschile.mercadohops.cl. My name is Rafael Lobelo, Director of Agujas Chile, and I thank you for your attention. See you soon.